is Dolphin Beach, a place of learning and discovery, where friendships are formed and the affinity between two very different species is fully realized. Come with us now as we explore the ties that bind us and take an up-close look at one of the most remarkable mammals on the planet, the Pacific Bottlenose Dolphin. To Dolphin Beach. It's right here that we hope you will gain a greater appreciation and understanding of the affinity between us and the world's most beloved marine mammal. We share the planet with some amazing species, both above and below the water surface. The affinity we share with the dolphin is one that we will cherish always. The time we spend with these incredible animals is so special to us. And the friendships we form, they will last forever. Dolphin that are found nowhere else in the world. They are the Australian humpback dolphin and the snub-fin dolphin. Sadly though, they both do face extinction due to illegal feeding and pollution like discarded fishing gear. But there is still hope if we all work together. We truly appreciate these incredible animals, we must all play our part in protecting them and their ocean home. The dolphin has called the planet home for more than 10 million years, and they are perfectly adapted to their underwater environment in every way. When their power is on display, it is nothing short of breathtaking. day at SeaWorld is an opportunity for growth and learning. The time we spend together is always full of new and exciting discoveries, and the knowledge we gain from spending time in the water is put to great use whenever we are called upon to assist with sick or stranded animals that may need our expert care. The affinity we share with the dolphin brings with it a clear responsibility to ensure we safeguard the ocean and its inhabitants. We need to make a promise to put the needs of the planet first. Right now, we'd like to offer one very special person a chance to meet a dolphin. So please raise your hands nice and high, and one of our wonderful marine mammal trainers will come and choose you out from the crowd. And for the rest of us, stay right where you are, and let's watch a beautiful friendship form. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please put your hands together for our volunteer. Operations to come. Reduce harmful human impact on dolphins by properly disposing of fishing gear and rubbish and never feeding animals in the wild. Remember, health to the oceans means health to us. But now, friends, it's time for us to say farewell. Today, you have been lucky enough to meet the incredible animals that call Dolphin Beach home. We certainly hope you enjoy the rest of your time with us here, and we can't wait to see you all again soon at Dolphin Beach. Thank you, and bye for now. enjoy the presentation. Please remain seated whilst we allow guests in priority seating to exit the venue first. And for safety reasons, we ask that you do not step on or over the bench seating, as it may be unsafe to do so. Thank you.
鸟真厉害。
Please put your hands together for our volunteer. Friends, the future is yet to be written. The choices we make now can be a catalyst for change. The affinity we have with the ocean and its inhabitants grows ever stronger. And with that affinity comes a responsibility for generations to come. Help reduce harmful human impact on dolphins by properly disposing of fishing gear and rubbish and never feeding animals in the wild. Remember, health to the oceans means health to us.